Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dyson, and today we are doing the try on video from mine and DIDDI5 DIDDI5 box swap. I have it on my face right now. It went so. I still gotta fix that. Let me go fix that. Anyway, it is what it is. I did like some products. Almost all the products I think I least liked, but I'll be back with my outro too to share my thoughts and opinions about it, but let's get on to me actually trying on the products now. We have this big box to choose whatever we want to put on our face today. I have this, I forgot to see how it was pronounced again, Nimya. I think that's how you pronounce it. The Nikki tutorial YouTuber, her brand. And towards the cream, definitely really excited about using the, what is it called? Nimya by Nikki Tutorials. What is this exactly called? Where it all starts cream. Really excited about using that. It has been like almost a week since I recorded the unboxing. I just couldn't get to it. Let's see. I want to decide what I'm going to use out of this box, and I'll be back and I'll share with you what I'm using. First thing I'm going to use is this Where It All Starts cream from the Nikki Tutorial brand of hers. I'm really excited about this. I do have something on my face already, so I won't get the full, scope of it. It's thicker. But I still want to use it. That is a lot thicker than I thought it was going to be. Oh, I don't think I need that much. I think I need very, very little, especially since I already put some on, or not this, but you know what I mean. It's already moisturized, my face is. I got 2 additional kids here today, and I've had them since Saturday, and it is Monday today. They're out because of race weekend. Ugh. Feels good. Feels real good. I like it so far. It definitely ain't like the It's Cosmetics moisturizer, but I need a day when I can try it as my only moisturizer. Alright, I'm gonna get started with the eyes. Ida sent me the Too Faced eyeshadow, or Shadow Insurance eye primer, and I have not used this before that I can remember, so hopefully I like it. I don't know how much is too much, because my favorite eyeshadow base so far has been the Milani eyeshadow primer, not base, primer. I bought like at least 4 or 5 different things of that. So I don't see it gonna replace a drugstore, but I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure that was on my wish list too. Alright, and the eyeshadow palette and the other things I chose from this box around this eyeshadow palette is the Disney Beauty Bay Alice in Wonderland 1951 6 color palette. And I chose this out of the other eyeshadow palettes just because it kind of has a color scheme, a little bit more of what I need. I'm just going to use these colors at the bottom. Since I have a yellow, I'm not going to use too much yellow. Some of the blue. I guess the white. I really don't know what I'm doing yet. Hopefully this goes good and I don't have to start over after I already started. You know what I mean? Crazy right now, but I'm hoping after I get it, like the rest of the colors on, it'll look right. But we'll see. We'll see. Woo-wee. I am now going to go in with, let's see, Cashmere Cat Tree. Okay, that color. I don't know why it's called Cashmere Cat Tree because it's a blue. That's what it looks like. Hopefully it don't look different on my eyes. That's a blue. Why is it called a tree? Okay. Since I got hooded eyes, I like to kind of make sure it's hooded. Hopefully you can see kind of what I'm doing. And I just want it on the kind of outer corner, but I'm going to blend it a lot so it's like, I don't know, hopefully it'll look right afterwards. Do that on this. Oh, my timer went off for my bread. I gotta put it in the oven now. I'm glad they're not coming out of her room because they would definitely. I think this makeup sucks. Anyway, yeah, I don't think I like this look. Starting over a little bit. I'm not gonna reapply the moisturizer, but I am going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance again. And this time I will use, let's see, what will I use? I think I'll just go ahead and use this Tweez Suit of Armor staying powder that she sent me. What's the actual brand called? I guess it's called that Tweez brand. Never heard of it before. It's in a sifter like thing, but yeah, I just want to, you know, do that base before I try to use that blue out of the, oh, there's too much. Came out really good. Okay, where's that thing? Use my color switch before I do that because that was a real white color that I used on it before. Okay, this, I thought it was maybe gonna be too dark, but this looks good. It looks actually a little light, so good. I like a lighter color of a powder in a ways. Because I hate how, like, if you use a darker powder, like I've noticed like some ladies used to, not so much anymore, but they would use like a too dark a powder, and it would look like they had like desert skin on their face, like it looked really rough and tough. Like a, I don't know, almost dried up prune or something. Set it really good. It's really smooth. I like that so far. I mean, I haven't used it on my face, but I'm going to try out this L'Oreal Infallible Gel Automatic Eyeliner. I've heard so much about them, but I was trying to do a cruelty-free journey and L'Oreal is not, but I've always looked at so many of their products that I really liked. So I'm not disappointed it's in my box. Definitely not, because I've been wanting to try them. I was really trying not to get anything that wasn't cruelty free. But she did it for me, so I guess it doesn't count. And there's Pat McGrath. I don't think it's cruelty free either, and that's why I haven't never tried anything from that brand either. And she sent me that. But I'm really excited about trying both of these, because it's been like, oh my gosh, so many years since I've had L'Oreal products. But yeah, I'm gonna like do a wing on both of my eyes with this, and so far I'm really loving it. I don't want to love not cruelty free brands, but I mean, whatever. It's just so widely available, and they just got their game on, man. I really haven't had a good colorful eyeliner in a good while, I don't think. Like, I don't think I got any, I don't think I decluttered any, because it's really hard to get a good cruelty-free colorful eyeliner. Anyway, I'm going to pause this because you don't need to watch me do the other eye just the same. But look, I really love it. I don't want to love it, but I love it. Thank you, Hada, for sending it, because I would have never bought it for myself, but it looks so good. I might have to go to the store and be bad and get the rest of the colors, because I'm pretty sure they have like a lot of different colors like this. Thank you, Ada. I'm also going to put this like on the under like that. And now I'm going in with that Beauty Bay palette with Alice in Wonderland, the Treasure Cat, and I'm going to go in with the Treasure Cat Tree. Again, I'm going to use it, but not try to blend it out. I don't know. Let's see, I'm going to go on top of that liner, so it's going to work as a base. And this will probably mattify it, since this is a matte color and that was kind of like a shimmery color, or metallic looking. But I like the look together. So far, I love it. And that's what it looks like with that color and without. I'm using more of that Where It All Starts cream, because I did wipe off the fallout under my under eyes. So I'm mostly going to concentrate there, because when I see wrinkles on my face, it's mostly like depending on what makeup, it can make it look definitely a lot worse and drying looking, like just really wrinkly under my eyes. In this area on my forehead, that's my major wrinkle spot, so that's where I'm gonna mostly focus on it this time. Because I did wipe it off from earlier. That's some thick cream. Now I am going to put my foundation on. And the foundation she sent me is the Kaya Glow Up Serum. I think it's a foundation anyway. Glow Up Serum. It's a foundation, right? I guess we'll find out. This is what the glass bottle looks like. Right here. Let's see, how does it go? I think it's a dropper, yeah. It's not getting any of it in there. Maybe it's not a foundation. So I think this is kind of like a primer. Shh. Okay. So I guess I won't use that. I am going to use this NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Blur foundation that she sent me. This is soft beige. Might be too dark. Let's see. I gotta open it. Alright, got it opened. Let's see, how do I want to apply this? Oh shit, that was too much. Let's see if I can suck it back in there. Oh, whatever, I made a mess. Oh shit, I was supposed to use those sponges that she sent me. Oh well. I guess I'll do it later. Oh wow, it's a lot wider. How did that happen? It looks dark on my hands. Look how dark it is on my hands. Okay. The more you rub it in, the lighter it gets, it looks like. It's so weird. I don't know how I feel about it yet. It's not that easy to blend. I don't know how I'm gonna like this. Maybe it'll look good after I get the rest of my products on, because right now I'm not a big fan of it. But we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. What's next? I'm going to put on, I guess I'll put the bronzer on first. This Pixie Only Glow Bronze Tinted Moisture Stick. And it is a warmer, glowier looking bronze shade. I used to have the moisture stick. I think that's it from this type of product from Pixie. Huh, that's actually kind of cute. I'll rub it in a minute. I don't know. I have a feeling it's gonna just basically mix right in as soon as I start rubbing it. I don't really want my under chin to glow, but whatever. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. Oh, I don't like it. Like when you have an old sore, it makes it look rougher. But if you already got pretty skin, like right here, I got pretty skin and it looks pretty. But if you have textured skin, you probably won't like it because it's gonna illuminate it. But I do like the illuminated look. Yeah, it's pretty. And now it's blush. So the cream blush I got is the Mecca Soft Glow Highlighter Stick. It's a highlighter. So we're gonna be real illuminated today. It's not blush, but I do need, no, I don't need highlighter, but I'm gonna do some highlighter. And I'll have to do a powder blush, I guess. Oh, that was too much. Ooh, I think someone's here. Hold on. Alright, I blended it and it looks good on camera, but it does show texture like a lot more, but it's part of life, I guess. Alright, I'm gonna use that setting powder that I used earlier to set my face, and I am gonna use this Beauty Blender little sponge thingy to do it with. Wait, no, I gotta use concealer first. Hold up, did I get concealer? I don't think she sent me concealer. So I'm gonna do concealer off camera real quick. Well, I guess I can tell you what it is at least. I'm gonna use this CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer. Alright, now I got that done, so I can put my powder on. Let's see. This is different. Oh, maybe I should take my shirt off. Oh well, we'll hope for the best. I ain't going nowhere anyway. I love baking under the eye with this. Wow. Oh yeah. See how the powder does under the eyes? Feels nice though. I do see some wrinkles coming. Ooh. But it's typical, really. It'd be nice that I could find a powder that doesn't show wrinkles ever. I kind of want to, I don't know, I want to do a lot of things, but I'm trying to be more wise with my money and not just spend a bunch of money on makeup. Yes, I do like doing my makeup, but I like doing a lot of things now. Like, I've been enjoying baking fresh bread here lately. Like today, I just took it out of the oven and it looks alright. It's not like I thought it was gonna look like. It's supposed to be a French baguette, So I know it's supposed to be hard, but I was really hoping to use this for like po' boys, you know, the little shrimp with in the bread and with lettuce, tomato, and like a Cajun mayonnaise looking sauce thing. Okay, I do like that powder, but I don't know if it's gonna work for that now. But I'm letting it cool. Now it just came out. It looks good. It does look good, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be too tough to eat as like a sandwich for what I intended it for. I definitely could use it as garlic bread or something. So we'll see. I need to find a blush now, don't I? Out of the stuff she sent me. Since I thought that was a blush and it wasn't. Oh, I know she sent me one. And it was a... Was this it? No, that's an eyeshadow. Is this a blush? I think that's an eyeshadow. Yeah. Oh shit. I don't have a powder blush. She did send me a powder blush. It's the L'Oreal blush called Rosewood. It's pretty. And it does have a brush that comes with it, but I don't want to use that. I'm just going to use my brush. First I gotta get whatever is off of it. Looks like it. I'm going to try to go easy. Okay, I can see it showing up. Oh no. Maybe I didn't put enough powder there because it is clinging to stuff I got on underneath. Oh shit. That don't look good. Okay, that made it look a little better. Oh, this definitely is not my favorite makeup look. Or not my easiest. Definitely not my favorite either so far. But at least I get new makeup to play with. See, I did it again. I want to say it might be that Pixie product. But it is, when I do that, it does seem to fix the problem. Okay. I do like the color. I need to try it out with like different products that I've already used before to figure out like how much I like it and stuff. I got that, she sent me the WBC Gel Brow Styling Gel. And I think it's clear. Yeah, it's like clear. I don't know how to use it. You just, I think you put water with it to use it. But it came with this brush too. Pretty sure I'm supposed to wet the brush, kind of swirl it in there and do it like that. So let me go wet the brush. Alright, maybe I did this right, maybe not. I don't know. I've never played around with this type of product. So we're just gonna try it. Okay. This would help get the foundation out of my eyebrows too. I kind of like it. Okay. The lipstick using is the Linda Hallberg Majestic lipstick. Pretty cool. And it's just a nude shade. Look how it's cut. It's pretty unique. I like it. It's like my lips, but just a little bit darker. But then again, I got foundation on, so. Everyday nude, but in like the, what kind of color base is that? I like it. I like it. It goes really good with blue, like blue liner and stuff. And I'm gonna go over it with this RS. Ooh, this Rebecca Stella lip liner in Hubso AR. I don't know. We're going with this as the lip liner. Is this like same exact shade? It looks like it. It's exactly the same. Okay. And I think I was going to use this product, but not today, because I think that's beautiful like it is. Alright, now Mist. I'm using that Anastasia Dewy Set Setting Spray again. I don't want to do the mascara until my face dries, and I also sent this little fan from Nikki Tutorials brand. I did charge it, so I can use it. But yeah, I'm going to dry my face and then come back in with the mascara. That's pretty much the last step, is the mascara. And the mascara I'm using is the Kaya Space Intense mascara. Ooh, starting to transfer up here, but that normally happens to me with my shadows, since when I'm just doing like an intense like eyeliner, it normally transfers, especially after I spray that any type of mist spray. I should have been more careful, but I didn't think about it. Oh no! It's pretty cool so far. It's definitely lengthening, not too much volumizing, but it's working good. See if I can do the under eyes without messing up too much. Do one more coat. Definitely lengthening. It's pretty so far. Try to curl them with my fingers. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and clean up like that spot, and I'll be back. All right, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm just gonna go over what I tried out from mine and DIDDI5's box swap. I will have her channel linked down below and our playlist of our previous box swaps. It'll be on an end card or maybe in the description box somewhere. Anyways, just go look for it. And please tell her I sent you if you haven't already went there. I don't see why not, but anyways. But yeah, so she sent me the Nikki Tutorials, what is it called again? Where It All Starts cream. I like it. I am looking forward to trying it some more. It is very thick. So far so good. I tried the Anastasia Dewy setting spray, and I don't think it has a shimmer to it. It's just the packaging, but I like it so far. I love it. Then I tried the Mecca Soft Glow Highlighter Stick. I thought it was blush at first, but it is not at all. It is definitely a highlighter, and I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'm not too crazy about highlighter. Yeah, so I mean, it's good. I liked trying it. I like that brand. Then I tried the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Automatic Liner. I tried this Infallible L'Oreal Gel Automatic Liner, and this is in the color, what is it? I don't know, 14, I don't know. Anyway, that's the color. And it's under the eyeshadow, which the eyeshadow came from the Alice in Wonderland 6 color palette. It's Beauty Bay Disney palette, and it is this color right here. That is on top of the L'Oreal eyeliner, and I like it. I'm just not crazy about blues that much because they're kind of hard to handle, but yeah, I'll play more with that palette. I like my Dumbo palette from them. So then I had this WBC Gel Brows Styling Gel. I like it. I'm looking forward to playing with that more. And this this Linda Hallberg Majestic lipstick is what I have on my lips, and I like that. It is a good everyday color, and it matches perfectly with the other lip liner that she sent me, the RS it's Rebecca Stella, I don't know. This lip liner, it went perfectly. I can't tell the difference, so it's like a perfect color match. And then the mascara I have on is the Kaya Space Intense Mascara. Let's see what else. I use the Beauty Blender thing to put my powder on. I love that. Oh, And I have to shut this to show you what this was. Ooh, it's kind of messy. It is the Tweeze Suit Your Armor stain powder. I like this powder. It looks better the more you have it on too. Yeah, it does. I don't know about this product. It's the NYX Bear With Me Blur Foundation. I think it looks better after it's on for a little bit, but maybe the Anastasia setting mist made it melt together better, because it did look like it was just setting on my skin. But I kind of like it the way it looks right now. It looks better than when I first put it on. And the L'Oreal blush Rosewood, I'm gonna have to play with that more with different products underneath it, because I don't think I got the best use today, but it does look good right now. So yeah, I like it. I'm looking forward to using that some more. And this is definitely going to be used more often, is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. So far so good. Really enjoyed using that. And I'm going to have to use this, I don't know, I think this is what kind of made my blush a little patchy looking, but it did look really pretty on the skin, like before I started messing with that. Is the Pixi Glow On Bronze Tinted Moisture Stick. Yeah, I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that was it that I put on my face from what mine and Ida's box swap products were. I have a lot more left that, y'all, I have paused this video so much. This is why I don't record anymore. I'm too busy to just sit down for an hour and a half to film. I just can't manage to do it. Even on my off days when I have nothing planned really to do, I'm still constantly going. So anyways, I don't know where I left off. I hope you enjoyed this video. I loved doing these box swaps with Ida, but I think this is going to be our last one, or at least for a good while, for at least 2 years probably. Maybe we'll do one in 2 years. Who knows? I kind of hope so, because I'm sure I'll have a very small collection in 2 years, or a lot smaller than it is right now. And yeah, but oh, you're going to definitely see some more videos with the other products that I couldn't manage to fit in on this one. Probably a lot more videos, probably like at least 5 more videos. We'll see how that goes, because I do want to use these products and I want to try them out for the first time on camera with you guys. But yeah, so it might be another week before I can manage to get to my next video. But I'm just going to use the products that I opened up today, plus my old products that I already have in my collection, to see how they work with other things that I know I love already. And then I'll move on to the next batch out of that box later. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both of mine and DIDDI5's videos. And I will see you buddies on the next one. Bye.